Wouldn't you say this is a lovely bay? Unfortunately, it's full of criminals. This is rather a sad and quite desperate video, and probably my last one for quite a while. I told you already in one of the last videos that my dinghy was stolen, and after this event I secured it nicely here at the pier with a very thick chain and obviously with a proper lock. So the other day I came back to check for it and to go sailing, and I saw it floating here in the bay. The chain was gone, the lock was gone, and even the extra rope I was securing the boat with at the pier was gone too. So with just pure luck I was able to get my dinghy again. Unfortunately though, as you can see, we don't see anything out there because Celina is gone. My 44-foot Chernow Magic was stolen the other night, and I have no idea about its whereabouts. I was at the police and they said they will contact the Coast Guard, the Harbor Police, and well, everyone who needs to be contacted. Until now I don't have any news whatsoever, and as you can imagine I'm quite disappointed and well, hardly can find my words, to be honest, to describe my feelings right now. It's a really sad situation because after this hard work we had during our maintenance weeks, we hardly enjoyed the boat, and this is I don't know, it's a bloody nightmare, to be honest. Well, everything rests with the insurance right now. I'm covered for any kind of theft, but still, maybe Coast Guard will find it somewhere. Let's see.
I know it's nothing new, but it's so good to see you. We do this every day, and I'm still so amazed by you. So hold me tight through the night.
Hi everybody, it's me again with a quick update. After 4 months without any sign of Celina, I finally got a positive answer from my insurance company. I'm quite happy to announce that they will cover me and they will reimburse my money, the same amount I paid for my boat actually. Well, even though I miss being on the water, I don't really know when there will be a new video coming online, but in the meantime I thank you all for watching and I hope to see you soon again. Take care guys!